is for apple, apple. Apple. B is for ballon, ballon. Balloon. C is for cat, cat. Cat. D is for duck, duck. Gag. E is for elephant, elephant. Elephant. F is for fish, fish. Fish. G is for giraffe, giraffe. Giraffe. H is for horse, horse. Horse. I is for igloo, igloo. Igloo. J is for jam, jam. Jam. K is for kite, kite. Kite. L is for lion, lion. Leo. M is for moon, 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 moon. Moon. N is for nose, nose. Nose. O is for orange, orange. Orange. P is for pig, pig. Pig. Q is for queen, queen. Queen. R is for rose, rose. Rose. S is for star, star. Star. T is for tiger, tiger. Tiger. U is for umbrella, umbrella. Umbrella. V is for violin, violin. Violin. W is for well, well. Well. X is for xylophone, xylophone. Xylophone. Y is for yo, 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 yo. Yo, yo. Z is for zebra, zebra. Zebra. Next time, won't you sing with us?
We learn counting. How many sheep? Just one to see. One sheep grazing under a tree. How many roosters? Count them. Two. Roosters call cock-a-doodle-doo. How many horses galloping free? Three horses running as fast as can be. How many turtles slow and shy? Four turtles crawl, say hi, hi, hi. How many butterflies flapping alive? Five butterflies flutter, oh how they thrive. How many ducks swimming in the mix? Six ducks quacking, doing tricks. How many pandas munching in heaven? Seven pandas munching, bamboo is their haven. How many gorillas strong and great? Eight gorillas pounding, what a state. How many koalas in trees so fine? Nine koalas snoozing in a line. How many tigers with stripes of gold? Ten tigers roaring, so brave and bold. How many giraffes so tall, so lean? 11 giraffes grazing, quite the scene. How many lemurs with tails to twirl? 12 levers leaping full of swirl. How many frogs near the pond so keen? 13 frogs hopping all in green. How many parrots in the sky serene? 14 parrots chirping red, blue, and green. How many snakes slithering mean? 15 snakes weeping in the grass unseen. How many owls with wisdom to glean? 16 owls hooting their eyes so keen. How many sparrows swift and keen? 17 sparrows darting a lively team. How many elephants oh so serene? 18 elephants marching a majestic scene. How many ladybugs red and clean? 19 ladybugs shining with spots between. How many lions with a roar so supreme? 20 lions proudly.
This is red, the color red, 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 red. This is red, the color red, 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 red. Do you know what color is this? This is red. This is blue, the color blue, blue, blue. This is blue, the color blue, 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 blue. Do you know what color is this? This is blue. This is yellow, the color yellow, 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 yellow. This is yellow, the color yellow, 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 yellow. Do you know what color is this? This is yellow. This is green, the color green, green, green. This is green, the color green, 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 green. Do you know what color is this? This is green. This is black, the color black, 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 black. This is black, the color black, 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 black. Do you know what color is this? This is pink, the color pink, 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 pink. This is pink, the color pink, 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 pink. Do you know what color is this? This is pink. This is white, the color white, 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 white. This is white, the color white, 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 white. Do you know what color is this? This is white. Where today we learn opposites word. Big, big, big and small, 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 big and small. Big hot air balloon, small balloons. Cold, cold, cold and hot, hot, hot. Cold and hot, cold and hot. Cold ice cream and hot tea. Tall, tall, tall and small, 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 small. Tall and small. Tall giraffe and small rabbit. Open, open, open and close, close, close. Open and close. This door is open. This door is closed. Outside, outside. The door is sitting outside the kennel. Inside, inside. The door is sitting inside the kennel. Inside and outside. Let's learn opposite word again.
First, let's visit the zoo today. See the animals come out to play. from tree to tree, chattering happily, full of glee. Camel walks with a humped back, carrying loads on a sandy track. Deer with antlers, sleek and swift, through the forest that quietly drift. Bear with its big, fuzzy face roams the woods at a steady pace. Giraffe reaches up so high, neck so long it touches the sky. Panda munches on bamboo shoots, in the forest to peacefully roost. Bear roars with a mighty sound, its stripes are bold, orange and brown. Elephant's trunk swings all around, thick ears flapping, stomping the ground. Lion the king with his regal mane, in the zoo there's so much to gain. Next let's head to the farmyard gate, meet the animals, isn't this great? Cow says moo and chews on grass, in the meadow you see them pass. Sheep are fluffy, in fields they graze, white and woolly in the sun's warm rays. Goose honks loudly, flaps its wings, near the pond it often sings. Horse gallops, oh how it sings, with a mane that flows and graceful wings. Chicken clucks and pecks the ground, laying eggs all year round. Goat with horns, it's so spry, climbing hills, reaching high. Pig rolls in mud with a happy grunt, loves to dig with its snout in the front. Donkey's hee-haw is always blunt, strong and steady, bears the brunt. Duck swims in the pond so cool, quacking softly near the pool. Rabbit hops with a twitchy nose in the garden where the carrots grow. Turkey know them, everyone. Sing this rhyme and you'll remember animal friends from January to December.
Thursday rolls in, close to the end.
finds its way back on up the spout once more, climbing high like before. Raindrops gone, spider tries, climbing towards the sunny skies. Tiny legs won't give up, spouts the goal, climbing up. Sunshine bright, dries the day, little spider finds its way back on up the spout once more, climbing high like before.